Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and transformative technologies in the backend development, that is Node.js. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Node.js has been making waves across the tech industry. But why exactly is Node.js so important? And more importantly, how can learning it boost your career? Stick around as we explore these questions in detail. Let's start with the basics. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. What's really cool is that JavaScript, which was once confined to just front-end development, can now handle back-end services too. This means you can use a single programming language, JavaScript, to build full-stack applications. That's a huge advantage for the developers because it streamlines your workflow. You don't have to learn multiple languages for different part of your project. Instead, you can focus on mastering JavaScript, making you much more versatile as a developer. One of the biggest reasons why Node.js has gained popularity is its non-blocking, asynchronous architecture. This is a game changer for building fast, scalable applications. Let me break it down for you. In traditional server environments, tasks are handled one at a time. If you have a slow task like querying a database, the entire system waits for it to finish before moving on to a next task. But with Node.js, multiple tasks can be processed simultaneously without waiting, making it highly efficient for handling a large number of requests at once. That's why Node.js is particularly favored for real-time applications like chat applications, video streaming services, or even online games. And speaking of real-time applications, let's not forget that Node.js has been a critical player in building applications that rely on instant updates and live interactions. Companies like Netflix, LinkedIn, and Uber leverage Node.js for exactly this reason. Netflix, for example, handles billions of requests per day, and they rely on Node.js to serve all that content seamlessly. And it's not just the international giants. Here in India, companies like Swiggy and Zomato are also using Node.js to power their high-performance real-time applications. These are the technologies behind your food deliveries, live tracking system, and instant notification. Let's also take a moment to talk about microservices. This is where Node.js really shines. Microservices architecture involves breaking down an application into smaller, independent services, each handling a specific function. Instead of one large monolithic code base, you have a smaller modules that can communicate with each other. This makes your application more flexible and easier to manage. Node.js, because of its lightweight and efficient nature, has become the go-to technology for developing microservices-based systems. It's perfect for creating scalable, distributed systems that can grow and evolve as your company grows. Another important factor is the vast ecosystem that Node.js comes with. The Node Package Manager, or NPM, gives developer access to over a million open source libraries and modules. Need to add user authentication to your app? There is a package for that. Need to implement real-time notifications? There is a package for that too. This massive ecosystem saves developer a ton of time because they can reuse existing modules instead of building everything from scratch. But Node.js isn't just limited to traditional web applications. It's also used in IoT devices, robotics, and even desktop applications. For instance, popular tools like Visual Studio Code and Slack are built with Electron, which uses Node.js under the hood. This versatility makes Node.js a great choice of developers who want to work on a variety of different types of projects. Let's not forget the employment landscape here in India. The demands for Node.js developers has been growing rapidly. Whether it's Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, or NCR, companies across the tech spectrum are actively seeking developers with Node.js expertise. Salaries for Node.js developers can start around 7 lakh per year for entry-level positions, with mid-level developers earning anywhere between 10 lakh to 15 lakh annually. For senior developers or those working with cutting-edge technologies, salaries can go upward 20 lakh per year. And if you are aiming for top-tier companies or startups working on innovative solutions, there is a plenty of room for even higher compensation. Now, a word of advice. Learning Node.js alone is great, but if you really want to stand out in today's competitive job market, you need to build a broader skill set. For backend development, you will want to get familiar with the frameworks like Express.js, which simplifies creating robust web servers. Next, databases like MongoDB and PostgreSQL are essential for managing data. And if you are working with microservices or cloud native applications, learning Docker and Kubernetes is crucial for deploying and scaling your applications. These technologies will complement your Node.js skills and make you a full stack powerhouse. For those interested in cloud computing, pairing Node.js with platforms like AWS or Microsoft Azure is a no-brainer. Cloud infrastructure is the backbone of modern applications, and being able to deploy and manage your Node.js applications in the cloud can significantly boost your job prospects. And don't overlook front-end frameworks like React or Angular. Knowing how to build full-stack applications from the front end to the back end is a highly valuable skill in today's tech landscape. At this point, I'm sure some of you are excited to get started with Node.js, but maybe you are wondering where to begin. If that's you, look no further than Let Me Study. We offer specialized hands-on Node.js courses that are designed to help you master the skills you need to succeed in today's job market. Whether you are just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge, we have got advanced courses that will help you level up your career. So head over to Let Me Study and check out our course offerings. We have got you covered. To sum it all up, Node.js is not just another programming tool. It's a transformative technology that's reshaping the development landscape both here in India and globally. Whether you are looking to build scalable web applications, microservices, or cloud native solutions, mastering Node.js can set you on the path, a rewarding with a high paying career. With the right combination of skills and the right guidance, which you can find at Let Me Study, you will be well on your way to becoming as an in-demand developer. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. I hope you have a clear understanding of why Node.js is such a big deal and why learning it could be the best decision of your career. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more updates. And of course, if you are ready to take the next step in your learning journey, check out our advanced Node.js courses at Let Me Study. Until next time, happy coding. I will see you in the next video. This version expands more on Node.js, including deeper insights into its use cases, ecosystem, and versatility. It maintains the small sections for Let Me Study, ensuring a balanced flow for a longer, more informative video. Let me know if further adjustments are needed. Thank you.